Hello, welcome to today's daily message. You may recall that a couple weeks ago we experienced the great blizzard of 2019. And on that Saturday morning at about 7:15, I went outside with my broom and shovel to start clearing my sidewalk and my steps. And when I got outside, I noticed that my next door neighbor Pete was also doing his shoveling and sweeping, and that our neighbor 2 doors up, Shannon, was doing the same thing. And in the course of our conversation, it came up that Pete was going to give Shannon a ride to school. Shannon is completing her MBA at Washington University, and amazingly, Washington University had not canceled classes on that day. So Pete, because he has a four-wheel drive vehicle, was willing to take her to school. Now, my point here is that, first of all, that was a very nice thing for Pete to do. But secondly, his act of kindness, his act of grace, if you will, would have gone completely unnoticed had I not come outside at the same time. My point is that these kinds of acts are repeated millions of times every day, and most of them go completely unnoticed. And so this is what grace is like. For the most part, grace, those gifts from God that I talked about yesterday, are repeated millions and millions of times every day. And for the most part, they go largely unnoticed. And so I would ask all of us to reflect on those moments of grace, either that we gave to someone else or that we received from someone else in the days and weeks just past. And I ask us to pay special attention to those moments of grace, those little gifts from God that we will give and that we will receive today. Have a good day today.